Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the anime series ZOIDS. So I have here the Liger Zero, the basic one, and as far as I know, this version has many variants like the Panzer Liger, the Blade Liger, and I forgot the other one, but this one is my favorite, the basic one, because it's very simple and it has a simplistic style of silhouette. So I might pair this with Gundam Barbatos because it's really a badass, and Barbatos needs some partner with this kind of mecha. So let's check this kit out, and I bought it from Wakaru Senpai, my very trusted shop here in the Philippines, and he's my friend actually. So shout out to you, Wakaru Senpai, and thank you for selling me this ZOIDS Liger Zero. So let's check this kit out. Box art here shows the Liger Zero attacking a saber-tooth, or I forgot this the name of this Zoid mecha, but it's like a saber, something like that. So he's jumping and attacking this enemy using his super claw here. So this is from ZOIDS HMM, or the high-end master model. So it's like an equivalent of master grade from Bandai. And of course, ZOIDS is a product of Takaratomi and distributed by Kotobukiya. So this is the Liger Zero Marking Plus version, and I bought it from Wakaru Senpai at the price of 3,800 pesos. So the side of the box, we can see here some explanations from the company, and it's written in Japanese. Unfortunately, I cannot read Japanese. And there, as I said a while ago, that this is the basic version, and we can see here the unarmored Liger, and this is his basic armor. So I choose this Liger Zero because I like the simplistic style of the kit. It doesn't have an extravagant accessories, and it will be a shelf space friendly kit. And the other side of the box, we can see the Marking Plus, or this Marking Plus version, meaning there are decals included for this kit. We can see here the front view, the rear view, and the unarmored style of Liger Zero. And there we can see the armor detached from the Liger. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual here. So again, instruction manual of Kotobukiya is like this. We have here the actual kit on the front page, and you can see some background story, but unfortunately this is in Japanese and I cannot read it. And you can see the parts name, or the anatomy of the Liger Zero, and some mechanism of this kit from the anime. And there we have the statement. So this is the statement of your kit from Kotobukiya. So Kotobukiya is always printing this for every kit they sell, and they clip it in their manual. So these are the parts list, and it's black and white printout, the usual Kotobukiya style of printing manuals. And there you can see how to build the kit. And there we can see the color guides if you want to paint your kit for customization. There we can see an armored liger here and the color guide if you want to paint. There we can see some action poses, the gimmicks of the kit. There's this opening thrusters. There is this armor openings, I think. The Zoid core, which is inside. This is the heart of every Zoids. And there, the armor pieces detached from the liger. So we check for the parts. So liger here is mainly black and white in color scheme. So we have here, to be honest, this is not off-white. This is like a cream colored white. I don't know if you are seeing the same as I'm seeing here in the camera. So this is a cream white colored runner. We have here light gray colored runner for the inner frame. We have black parts here for the inner frame. And again, another cream white runners for the armor pieces, and black parts for the inner frame. We have here again black parts for the inner frames, white armor pieces, and white armor pieces, or rather cream white armor pieces. We have small black parts here for, again, inner frame parts. So mainly the black parts are for the inner frame. Then we have a brown shaded runner here. I think this is for the Zoid core, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's polycap included. We have gold runners, 2 sets of gold runners. We have this it's like a light bronze colored pieces here for the fangs, the razor sharp tooth here for the jaw, and the claws. And we have here small black runners for the inner frame parts. We have red parts here for the bolt parts on the joints. We have polycaps, another set of polycaps. We have small, I think this is for the claw support. These are bluish gray colored runners, and I think this one for the pistons. There are piston parts there. And we have another small black parts for the inner frame parts. And finally we have the separated parts here. This is the pilot parts. So we need to assemble the pilot. I forgot the name of this pilot because to be honest, I forgot the names of these characters because I just watched them from Channel 7 before the GMA show during our childhood, and I'm just fascinated with the battles of Zoids. So we have here clear orange part for the cockpit, and this will serve as the eyes of the liger. And finally we have the Zoid core. It looks like a cherry candy. And we have the Zoid markings. These are the water slide decals if you want to apply it in your Zoids, but I'm lazy to apply this, so I'll just skip this, and maybe if I have time I will apply this to my Zoid. So as always, let's have a quick runner review for this kit before we build it. So let's start with this bluish gray runner here. This is runner E, so this is for the inner frame parts. We go here to the black parts, which are the inner frame parts also. So this is runner A here. We have runner C, big chunky parts. We have runner B here, another big chunky parts. And we have 2 sets of runner D for this black inner frame parts. So we go here to the white, the cream white armor pieces. We have runner P. So these are runner P. We have here runner O. So this is for the head, I think, and for the shoulder parts. We have 2 sets of runner Q. So runner Q and runner Q. And this is also runner Q. So we have 4. Am I correct? Or am I these are also runner Q. So we have 2 sets of runner Q, but different variation. See? So these are all runner Q. Okay. So we go to the small runners. We have here black parts for, I think, the joint parts. We have runner F here. We have another runner F, so we have 2 sets of runner F for these black joint parts. Then we got polycaps, 2 sets of this identical polycap. So this is polycap 2 and this is polycap 1. So we have 3 runners of polycaps. Then we have this brown runner. This is I runner here. We have light bronze colored runner, which is runner J for the fangs, jaw, and the claw. We have runner G for this joint parts here. We have 2 sets of runner H for these black small parts here. Then we got runner M, 2 sets of runner M, bluish gray colored runners for, I think this is for the claw also, the support parts for the claw. And we got gold parts for the pistons. I think this one for the pistons or shocks there. And finally we got this maroon colored runner for the bolts of the extremities. Then we got, again, I didn't open this yet to avoid confusion. We have the runner P for the pilot parts. So this is the anatomy of the pilot. And we got the clear orange runner for the canopy and the lenses, and the Zoid core, this cherry looking candy here, cherry candy ball. And we got the Zoid markings or the decals. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Let's build this ZOIDS Liger 0 once and for all, and see you next time. Goodbye, God bless, and take care.